Peggy 18.
We need to remember why we do what we do. And today the stakes are even higher. I know over the years you've heard this speech a bunch of times. And you better believe we're showing this motherfucker humanity isn't dead because we're still alive. It's our time now. Let's get this shit started. What's the plan?
We're gonna kill a lot of aliens.
I like it.
Why do I have a feeling that's a big understatement?
You think someone could at least give me a high five?
That's only vaguely insulting.
Don't ruin this, Keith. What the fuck?
We don't use that kind of language here in Steelport.
Are you fucking kidding me?
What do you want?
I'm looking for rough sex and Kinsey scares the shit out of me.
I stay on top and you don't get to talk.
Deal.